Hello people from Earth, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm gonna unbox my Thank You Next, the perfume. It came yesterday in the mail. For who doesn't know, Douglas is the people that give us perfume here in Italy. So, first of the box is huge, and it's kind of light. And well, let's open this thingy. So
I'm really bad at opening boxes. Oh, this works. I don't want to kill myself. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. It's really big and really hard to open. Believe me. I think I can do this. If my nails did it, this will do it. I hate opening boxes. I'm just like super bad at this.
I can feel something. Let me just.
Jesus Christ. Did you want it?
Ha! Oh my god. I mean, there's so much stuff in this box. Okay, let's start. Oh my goodness, I don't know where to start. Okay, I will start with a little gift, because then I can calm down during it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so perfect. Like, oh my. This is, no. Anyways. Here it says Ariana Grande. Like, it says the back. It says more stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I've watched so many videos on YouTube. Oh my, I just saw the box and there's something like really perfect in it. I watched thousands of videos of it on YouTube. And oh my god, my time finally arrived. Okay, so I'm gonna just show the box first. And then I'm gonna open it, smell it, and talk about the perfume, okay? Oh my god. Okay, so here it says, oh my god, this is so pretty, like, oh my. So you move, there's Ariana, which is beautiful. You move again, it's Ariana Grande, Thank You Next, and Ariana Grande again on the bottom. Yeah. And on the top, which was my favorite part of it, I felt like it's so pretty. I just can't. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And this is so hard. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, let me breathe. Okay. I've been waiting for this moment. Oh my god. It's so perfect. I don't even want to take it out. Oh my goodness. This is kind of... Never mind. So, you have the perfume like this. It's always like cloud. This is like so freaking pretty. Like, I don't know, like, I want to marry this. This is how my heart is at the moment, broke. Then the glass says Ariana Grande, And the top, this is what I've been waiting for, okay? The XO all here, and then the top. This is pretty, guys. This looks like a really, really expensive thingy, which it wasn't. Oh my. It smells so different from all of them, like. Oh my. It's so good. So good. I have no words for this perfume than perfect. It smells a little bit like coconut, but at the same time it doesn't. Let me just get what they are made from, and I will tell you guys, because I'm using my phone to actually record this video. I'm gonna get my computer. So I am in Ulta's website now, and I'm gonna tell you guys the notes of the perfume and what do I think, okay? So, juicy note. It opens with juicy notes of sparkling white pear and wild raspberry that soften with a heart of creamy coconut and delicate pink rose petals. Divine velvety musk infuses classic airs. While macaron sugar adds playful femininity. I'm really bad at reading. Full of activity, full of sweetness. So fragrance notes: top, white pear and white raspberry. Middle cream, the coconut, pink rose petals, and the base is macaron sugar and velvet musk. So let's say that it smells really sweet, like my room where I am right now, like this corner here, smells like Ariana. Not like Ariana, it smells like the perfume. It really does, like it smells really similar. Like, how do I explain that? It smells like that. So it's really, not really sweet. It's sweet, if you get what I mean. It's sweet, okay? It's sweet. I need to talk about the gift as well. So, it's sweet, very sweet. I like sweet perfumes, but who's afraid of bees? My friends, I wouldn't. So, well, let's think about this. It smells really good, okay? You can, on the top you can feel the raspberries. I don't really know the smell of pears. Do not get me wrong, okay? I don't really like them, so I don't smell them normally, but it smells very sweet and very good. And I want to wear this perfume every single day of my life, okay? It's perfect. The price worth it. This is the 500 milliliter one. Yep, 50 milliliter one, 500. The 50 milliliter one, oh my god, what is wrong with me? And it works, like it really worth the price if you are an Ariana fan and you are searching for a sweet perfume. Sorry guys, my dad just called me. So it's amazing. The price worth it if you like perfumes like that. If you're an Ariana fan, what is an Ariana fan? You should be an Ariana fan. But anyways, so let's talk about. Oh wait, this is perfect. Okay, just letting you know. So let's talk about the present. When I saw the website, so I have to continue this because for some reason my normal camera isn't working. Because my dad called me, I think that's why. And then it just, you know. But anyways, so the little gift. When I saw the website, it looked really small. Now having it in your hands, it doesn't. So if like it only comes with the 50 milliliter one and the big 100, so it works it. Like, I mean, you're not paying for it, So that's it. So I love the perfume. I really did. It's amazing and the price is really good. So I recommend you buying it, and if you did, let me know. Send me a DM on my Instagram. Now we have Instagram for our YouTube channel, which is this one. Yep. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Love you.